letters D, E, F. We're gonna do letter D. What are the words that starts with letter D? Let's see. Dog starts with letter D. Duck starts with letter D. What else? What do we got here? Dinosaur starts with letter D. Look, the dinosaur is making footsteps with the Play-Doh. So here's letter D for dinosaur. So now let's go to letter E. What word starts with letter E? Eagle starts with letter E. Elephant starts with letter E. Just like this one. It's a rattling elephant. What else do we got here? Oh, this is a mold for, guess what we're gonna make? Is going to be an egg. Egg starts with letter E. So we're going to use white Play-Doh and yellow Play-Doh. First we're going to put yellow Play-Doh here for the egg yolk. And then we can use the white. This is a fried egg. So now we got our egg. It's a fried egg. Put in a plate. There you go. This is an egg that starts with letter E. Fried egg. Now let's go to letter F. What do we got here? What are the words that starts with letter F? Feather starts with letter F. What else? Fish starts with letter F. Frog starts with letter F too. So what do we got here? It's a frog. It's a rolling frog. This frog can roll. Whoa. Frog starts with letter F. What else do we got here? Oh, this is some kind of fish that maybe we can make using Play-Doh. So we're gonna use blue for the fish. This is the tail of the fish. Oh, look, our fish is forming. Now we can use yellow. Four in the middle. Look, our fish is done. Made from Play-Doh. Let's put in the plate. There you go. Yummy fish. Fish starts with letter F. Now, letter D, E, F is done. We're gonna proceed to the next letter.